guys, it's Ivy, and today I'm here with another hair video. So in today's video I want to try something a little different. You guys know I'm like the baby hair girl, okay? Today I decided not to do any baby hair because the wig I used today, you guys, the lace is like butter. The lace just melts so good into your skin. Like, you literally don't need to do any baby hair if you don't want to. When you have a lace front and you want to wear it without baby hair, you need to make sure it's like good quality, high quality lace. And you guys, when I say this lace is high quality, like, it's amazing. So the wig I have on today is from Xrsbeauty, and you guys, I love their wigs. I had one like some months ago, and I've been in love ever since. I love whatever their lace is made out of. It's like invisible, clear, see-through. I don't know, but it just looks so good, you guys. It definitely gives you that natural, fresh wrap look. It's just gorgeous. It looks so much like scalp, and it just has so much parting space, and it's beautiful, you guys. Like, I love this wig a lot. It's unlike any other lace I've tried. I promise you guys, their wigs have literally the best lace. Literally. Like, the lace is just, it's popping. It just looks so natural. Their wigs are perfect for beginners. Like, if you're a person that want to try a lace front, but you're scared of like how the lace is gonna look looking all wiggy, this don't look like that. And it's not even glued in, you guys. Like, it's amazing. It's flawless. If you guys want to see how I installed this wig, definitely keep on watching, because I promise you won't be disappointed. So we're going to get straight into installing our wig. And as you guys can see, I already did my fake ball cap. And this band right here is my wig grip. I don't install my wigs without it. I know some people do, but my wigs always slide. If I don't have a wig grip on, my wig is just not going to stay on my head, okay? So I like to put my face powder on the wig grip, and also a little bit on the front of my hairline, just so it can create the illusion of a ball cap. You guys already know I'm doing a wig from Xrsbeauty. So I'm installing one of their clear lace wigs. Their lace just melts so flawlessly. Like, look at that, you guys. It literally melts into my skin. It's gorgeous. And their wigs come pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I haven't done anything to this wig but take it out the box. Like, I literally didn't pluck it at all because it comes perfect. It comes ready to put on your head. If you're a beginner and you want to try out some lace frontal wigs, this is definitely a brand to go with. If you're a dark skin tone, you don't have to tint your lace, but you can spray a little bit of lace tint. This is how the inside of the wig looks. Your standard like lace frontal unit. And I do have my adjustable straps right here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and slide this on. And already, you guys, you can see just how amazing this wig is. I'm gonna line it up. And the object of the video is not to have to do any more customization to the wig. As you guys can see, it looks pretty damn perfect. I'm gonna just adjust it on my head. And I love the wig grip so much, you guys, because it makes my wigs fit like snug. Like, this thing feels good and snug on my head, like it's not going anywhere. I'm always blown away by their wigs. They just look so good, you guys. Like, they look so good. So I'm gonna come up closer just so you guys can get a better look of the hairline. Their wigs are just extremely natural, and the hair feels so good, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut my wig in my 3 sections, as you guys know I like to do, to prepare to install it. And I'm just gonna install it using Got2b. I don't wanna glue this unit down. Okay, you guys, I got my Got2b right here, and we're gonna go ahead and spray. Rub that in place, and then you just wanna drop it down. Okay, guys, now we're just gonna cut the remaining lace off. And once I'm done cutting off the lace, I am gonna go back around the edges with a little bit more Got2b. Okay, guys, so all the lace is off. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do baby hair. I think I'm just gonna like kind of swoop down the hair naturally. I am gonna do a little cute middle part. This wig does come with a great amount of lace. Like, I love wigs that allow me to have my part far back enough. And to get my wig straight, I'm just gonna use my blow dryer. You guys know the little trick that I use. I literally just cut my blow dryer on high and kind of like just press the hair into place. I hold it firm with my hand like this and just blow dry it. So now I'm gonna take just a little bit of Got2b and spray it on the hairline again. Okay, guys, so I just finished installing it. It literally looks so natural. It looks just like scalp. Okay, when you have a great lace, you definitely don't need all that baby hair. I think for this unit, I'm gonna put some curls in it. I was gonna leave it bone straight, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit of curl in it, and I'm also gonna hot comb the top just so everything is super flat. But this wig is beautiful, you guys. Like, ooh, I love it so much. Look at that. Y'all know this giving scalp. Too bomb. My earring done fell off. It's okay. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. I just wanted like some nice loose curls. Nothing too curly, just nice and loose and flowy. This wig just looks so natural, you guys. I love it. It's perfect for beginners. Like, it's really beginner friendly because you don't have to do any plucking. any bleaching, any nothing. Like straight out the box, I just put it on with my Got2b and cut the lace, and perfect. You don't even have to do no baby hairs. Like, look at this lace. Okay, you don't have to do anything but, you know, install it, and it looks so good, you guys. Honestly, you guys, the hair is nice and thick. It's a really good quality hair. It doesn't feel cheap at all. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked below, and everything I used in today's video. I want to thank you guys again for watching another one of my videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.